Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Yeah, it's real, this is happening. So I was doing my color and decided what better time than now to get all the way ugly. Like, it was perfect timing. My friend Melanie sent me a picture of a Leatherface pie and was like, can you make this? And I was like, duh. I decided to bake this pie, and then on top of it, I was like, I mean, we're just gonna go all in. So here's a full Leatherface. I think the pie looks better than my makeup, but my makeup's pretty gross and ugly. And I used masking tape, so yeah, tried that. Like I told you guys, I make these videos out of things I already have at home, and I mean, I think it looks pretty bad, which is the point, isn't it? So I did great. Yeah, if you wanna do a generic Leatherface, this is one way to do it with things you already have in your home. I gotta go wash this color out, but enjoy this video. Okay, bye. Masking tape. I'm gonna clean my face off a little bit because this isn't gonna stick if I don't. I'm gonna just remove my eyebrows from yesterday. I'm dyeing my hair. So I'm using masking tape. I'm using a color that's like lighter. Don't use the blue one because that's not gonna be good. I'm definitely using pre-made pie stuff for this pie because my friend Melanie mentioned it to me and I just used whatever I had in my house. So I was working with what I had and that's what I had. I was like, I'm just gonna make it quick. Even though I could have used better stuff, I feel like it turned out delicious anyway, so who cares? It was about the art, okay? I asked my husband for masking tape. I'm pretty sure this is not what he had in mind. It's very unpredictable in my house. If he comes upstairs from work, he never knows what's gonna happen. Today, this is it. So I'm using pre-made pie crust, pre-made cherry pie filling that's like canned. I used 2 of those cans. And then one, just to spice it up a little bit, make it a little better, Morello cherries. And that's optional, like you don't have to do that, but it definitely added a little flavor. Then use non-stick spray in your pie dish. And make sure you take out your pie crust ahead of time because you want it to be room temperature, otherwise it'll crack, so you wanna make sure it's soft. Glue, just kind of where the lines meet. This is, again, just like this pie, I'm just using random stuff I have to make this look work. We'll see what happens. I don't know how good this will be, but it'll be something. Now put the first pie crust into your dish and do it gently. Take your time and really like let it kind of fall in there naturally so that it doesn't break on you, and just let it get in there. Now I'm just using foundation over this. Preheat your oven to 425. Now put 2 cans of the cherries into a pot that you're gonna put on the stove and cook up. And for this part, I'm just using browns. You can use any browns you have. Be careful when doing this at home, people. Now I'm gonna be using the Tarteist clay paint and start cooking those up. And now drain your Morello cherries and then dump those in there as well. Now cook that up together until it's nice and thick. And then make sure you let it cool off before you add it to the pie itself. You don't want it to be hot or it's gonna mess it up. So let it cool for a little bit. I would say at least like half an hour. Once it's cooled, add it into the pie crust. While it's cooling, start your pie cover. So the Leatherface dude, freaking face, pie face. And just start cutting it up to what it is. Honestly, I like did my own version of it. The one my friend sent me, I was like, this is gonna happen, and I just like winged it. I didn't completely like follow it. I just kind of remembered what she sent. So do your thing, just like this. It's not exactly like it, but if you don't have a mask, like what are you supposed to do? You just use tape, obviously. Thing that I love about Halloween makeup is that you can just be creative and not worry about it being perfect, because it's just supposed to be fun. I'm just adding where the face is sewn on over here, the little dots. I really hope my husband doesn't come up here for this one. It's a real bad one. Add in some wrinkles. Put the cherries inside and then place your pie cover over it. It's pretty easy. Then just use a fork and do the little creases. I'm gonna use a little bit of this Kat Von D color to make like the lips. Now I'm gonna use the Tarte Shape Tape to get definition in these areas. And you're gonna pop that sucker in the oven. That is all. Just make sure you let it cool once it's done baking and enjoy it with your family and feed your family Leatherface, because you know, Leatherface is a bad dude, man.
Gage, how do you like yours?
Delicious.
What do you guys think?
It's good.
I mean,
I love my face too. The only reason we're happy about it is because it's Leatherface, so we ate him, so that's good because no more
we're
Leatherface.
superheroes. We save crime in the world, right guys, right?
This is probably the worst Leatherface I've ever seen. I'm so proud of it. Listen, I made this out of tape. I think it's amazing. Haters gonna hate. It's the thought that counts. I literally have color in my hair right now. Now I kind of do want my husband to come up here. I mean, it's a fun look. Like, you guys can't deny it. I think people will get the idea. It's not like you're going to a party anyway. I always hope my neighbors can't see me. Like, have friends or family over and then they look over and it's like, oh, that's my neighbor. She's a YouTuber. I mean, it looks pretty bad. I think that's the point, right? Now I'm using some black shadow to just like blend out some of these lines. I don't know, it's pretty great if you ask me. Melanie, this one's for you. You asked for it. You didn't ask for all this, I know. She asked if I could make the pie. Well, I was like, yeah, I can. I can make the pie and then some. All right, now I'm gonna use this NYX white liquid liner to kind of give the little effect of it being sewn. Wonder if that's how they did in the movie, because honestly, it's that bad in the movie, I feel like. It's not good. It doesn't look great, but that kind of is what gives it what it is, you know? I like how just this step really ties it together. Get it? Ties it together. I'm funny. What do you guys think? Is it coming along? Yeah. I feel like I'm pretty close to being done because I feel like there's not that much more I can really do, honestly. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty good. I think my color is done by now too. I gotta go wash this off. That's the look. You can comb your hair cute to match it. I'm just wearing this bag over my head because I'm doing my color. After this, it's like you almost need to be really cute because this is awful. Thanks for watching, and I can't be as excitable because my face is stuck, but my camera doesn't even want to focus on this ugly mug. Bake that pie, man. Make it for Halloween. Do it. I think it'll be a hit. It looks pretty nasty even when you cut into it, so it's full Halloween. I don't know which way to cut it. I feel bad cutting his face off. Sorry, dude. I don't have a chainsaw. I promise I would add it into this video, but I don't. All right, guys. Good luck if you do this. It's not comfortable, so good luck. Masking tape can be used for many things, like Leatherface, you know? That's one of the things. Get it. Bye guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And I wish my kids were home today because I would love to scare them. next time.